Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cake in Palworld. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now, to make a cake, you will need a cooking pot, and also you will need some ingredients like flour, red berries, milk, egg and honey. And now, to have red berries, all you need to do is to go and build up berry plantation, and to make flour we have to plant some wheat. Then go to this mill and put the wheat inside it, and after putting the wheat inside the mill it will get into flour. But make sure to have planting, gathering and watering pals in order to plant berries and wheat. And now, to get the milk, honey and the eggs, you'll have to make a ranch like this one right here. And after making the ranch, you have to get some pals into it from the pal box. For example, for the milk, you'll have to get this mozzarella pal, which sometimes drops milk. And for the honey, you will have to get bee guard pal. And lastly, for the eggs, you will have to have chicky pie. To find these pals, like this one right here, the chicky pie will be found in these locations with this orange areas right here. And to find the mozzarella, you can find it in this place, while the bee guard pal can be found in this location. Now, after getting all these pals, you can, as I said before, use the pal box and put them into the ranch, and they will drop their resources occasionally. Now, after getting all the ingredients of the cake, you can go to the cooking pot and make it, but this will also need kindling and this will take some time, so make sure to get a good kindling pal. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.